undeniably one of the most majestic animals in the animal kingdom. Truly a beautiful creature that's simply magnificent and should be protected at all costs. It brings back my childhood to see such incredible, majestic beasts at home in nature. Wow. That's the king of the animal kingdom as far as I'm concerned. Now, as we pass deep, deep through the jungle, we can see through here the magnificent hippo. Wow, in all of its beautiful glory, stood there, doing what it does best, eating. I just can't believe the size of them. They're simply huge, aren't they? So powerful. Now, I want you to be totally honest. Who's got the better hair? And do you think he's big enough for me to ride home?
Run.
Good boy. Good boy. Check out this little guy over here. He's not someone you'd want to meet on a dark alley on night time.
My love of your